Okay, good morning, all of you. Am I audible? Please respond anyone. Am I audible or not? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Okay. So very good morning. So just wait 1 minute, then I will start. Okay, so everyone write your own name and roll number in the chat box. Okay, so let's start. So good morning, all of you. So myself, Devobroto Kumar Das, and I am working now Dumka Engineering College from the current semester. And previous, I am working in Chaibasa Engineering College in the JUT, okay, in the Techno University under it. So I am taking your subject. This is control system, okay. So am I audible? Please respond anyone. Am I audible or not?
Excuse me, sir. Your audio is not clear, sir.
Okay. Okay. So am I audible right now?
No, sir. Your audio is not clear, sir.
So right now the network problem is something arise from my here. So please today please consider me, okay? Okay, so I think all of you see the syllabus, that is the control systems. Okay, so first of all, we have to know that is control system. What is the control system? So anyone please tell me what is control system? Anyone is idea? Okay. So at first we have to discuss that is a control system. So control system means, that is all of you know, that is a controlling the any process or any system. That means we take one example, that is you have to drive a car or bike or cycle, anything it else. Okay. So when you have to drive a car, so you have to also control your car speed or bike speed. Okay. Because we know that we have to obey the rules, that is the traffic rules, and also thereafter we have to drive your own car in the rules and regulations basis. So you have to control the speed in each every time. Okay, so this is a simple example for the control system. So this control system we have to done by yourself or any control actions, that is the control systems. Okay, so the definition is control system is that it means by which any quantity of interest in a machine or mechanism or other equipment is maintained or altered in accordance with a desired manner. That means, I'm repeat once again, what is control system? Control system, it is a system that means by which any quantity of interest in a machine or mechanism or any other equipment is maintained in the accordance with a desired manner. That means it is also obey the different types of rules or different types of process according to our technology. Okay, so this is called, that is a control system. Okay, so I given one example, that is the automobile. You have to drive your car or bike or anything else, so you have to control by yourself. This is the acceleration, that is a speed control system. So when you have to go any industry, okay, that is a food and beverage industries, petrochemical industries, gas industries, something like that. So you have to see there are different types of operations are done one by one. That is, you have to give an input, some mechanism is present for the process of the input variable, and then finally you have to receive the output from the output end. Okay, but this is easily, that is, we have to give in first input, then it is process total input, then we have to receive the output from the output section. Okay, so this is a simple manner, but in their case here are different types of control mechanisms are present. So this control mechanisms, it controls the input variable, and also it is also very control the different types of process time by time. That means we have to control flow control measurement, pressure control measurement, temperature control measurement, humidity control measurement, something like that. So then after your control actions, it is done by the controlling equipment. Then finally you have to receive the output from the output end. So this is called the control systems. Okay, it is clear all of you? Okay, so
Yes, sir.
yes, thank you, thank you. So this is a control system. So this control system, it has different types of element. That means first we have to consider, that is a different types of control loop. Then we have to consider that is the control actions variable. Then we have to control the measured variable, and finally we have to receive the output from the output end. Okay, so this is a basically control system mechanism. So in your syllabus, that is control system, I think all of you seen this syllabus also. So just wait, I am sharing the syllabus, just wait. So everyone write your own name and roll number in the chat box also. And who is the CR in electrical department? So please response me. Who is the CR? Am I audible?
Voice is not clear, sir.
Yes. Okay, so sorry for that because my here network is very disturbed. Okay, so class is something little bit disturbed, so network is down, so that's why very sorry. And the next day I have to solve this problem. Okay, so in your syllabus, I think all of you seen this syllabus from the GOT. Okay, so you have to 6 modules are present. First, we have to know the introduction to principle. Module 1, introduction to principle of control systems. Okay, so in this introduction part, here we have to know the different types of concept of the system and also classifications of the control systems. So classification means that is control system classification. This control system, it is classified into 2 categories. First one is the open loop control system and another
Audio
one.
clear नहीं है sir.
Okay, so this control system, it is classified into 2 categories. This is the open loop control system and another one is the closed loop control systems. Okay, then we have to know that is the benefits of the feedback systems. So this feedback, it is also important role in any control systems. Okay, and also we have to practice different types of mathematical modeling of the physical systems. Physical system, that means I am telling in previous, this control system, whatever we have to given in the input section, that is we have to input it in digital input, in any types of physical parameter, that is you have to control, that is speed control, that is flow control. So this feedback system, it is also very important in any control system. So these different types of physical parameter you have to control, that is flow control measurement, level measurement, pressure control device, anything else. So these are the basically physical systems of the control system. Okay. Then we have to discuss that is transfer functions. Then we have to discuss also block diagrams. So these block diagrams of the transfer function in any control system, it is very, very important in our introduction of part of the control system. Then next, that is the module 2. In module 2, we have to discuss that is the time domain analysis and also frequency. So in this time domain analysis and frequency domain analysis, we have to discuss, this is the first order system, second order systems. Okay. And also we have to discuss different type of controllers. So this P controller, that is a proportional controller. Then
सर आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रहा है सर, बहुत ज्यादा वीक है.
Okay. So these are the different types of controller are present. That is a proportional controller. Then we have to discuss that is a proportional integral controller. Then also PID, that is the proportional integral. So this proportional controller, proportional integral controller, and then proportional integral derivative controller. It is we have to discuss in time domain analysis and frequency domain analysis. Then module 3. Then module 3, that is the stability criteria. Okay, so this stability criteria we have to discuss different type of criteria. That means concept of stability by the Rouse stability criteria. Then we have to discuss the stability analysis using the root locus method. Also we have discussed that is Bode plot analysis. Okay, so and also then we have to consider for the relative stability. So we have to know that is gain margin. Okay. So then we have to consider that is the definition and computation techniques of the gain margin and phase margins also. Okay. Then module 4, we have to discuss that is different stability criteria method. That is frequency response in the polar plots. Then also we have to discuss that is relative stability in the Nyquist criteria and also graphical representation of the gain margin and phase margin. Okay. And also last.
आपका ऑडियो क्लियर नहीं आ रहा है सर.
Okay, so little bit is very problem in my ear, that is a network problem. So this network is going down again and again is coming. Okay, so little bit is problem today. So next class we have to solve this problem. So please today is considered for me. Then we have to discuss that is module 4. This is the different types of compensation design. That is a lead network. Okay, lead network, lag network, and also lag lead network also we have to discuss. This compensation design of network using time domain analysis and also frequency domain analysis. Okay, then module 6, this is a
another से बताइएगा ना सर, कंट्रोल सिस्टम को क्या होता है बीच में सर जो बताएं.
And last module, that is the module 6, that is the state space analysis. So in this module 6, we have to learn that is the concept of state variables and space variables also. And also we have to discuss this state space representation of the various types of systems and transient matrix also. Okay, so these are the basically overview of the syllabus of the principle of control systems. Okay. So I shared the syllabus also in your group, and also we have to accommodate one Google Classroom also, and in the Google Classroom I am provide the day by day syllabus, that is the first day is syllabus. Then we have to send that is day by day class notes and as well as also. And also after one. Okay, so please everyone write your own name and roll number in the chat box also. And Pranab is present. Pranav is present.
And absent, sir.
Okay, so please anyone is take the screenshot. Okay, and then you have to send my WhatsApp. So Deepak Kumar, please respond me.
Yes, sir.
So please you take a screenshot of the participant list, and then you have to send my WhatsApp. And my WhatsApp number you have to know.
No, sir.
Okay. So Deepak, please note down my WhatsApp number 8250 282 065. So please you have to take a one screenshot right now, and then you have to send me my WhatsApp. And next class I am continue one topics by topics. And sorry for the today class because network is very cutting down because here.
सर आज वाला भी सर बता दीजिएगा सर, आज नेटवर्क इशू चले सर, कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आया सर।
इसे ठीक
आज वाला क्लास में जैसे पढ़ा है।
Okay, so I am repeating again in the next class also. Okay
sir, thank you sir.
Okay, thank you. So those who have not write in the roll number and name chat box, so please write down the name and roll number in the chat box also.